So we start out today's video with someone who has super long hair. She cuts all that hair off into a bob. Wow, look at all of that hair. Oh, she got a pixie. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Very nice transformation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some long versus short hair transformations. So here we have someone doing a bit of a DIY haircut here. So she's been wanting to cut her hair for 2 years. Now I can definitely relate to that. I've actually been wanting to cut my hair for quite a while now, and you just kind of sit on it for a while. So she decided to go ahead and grab those scissors and cut her own strands. And she does a nice playful bob. Oh, looks like she got it styled at the salon with a wolf cut. Very cute. And then we see this bob to pixie makeover. Followed by someone who decided to go shorter and color their hair with this pink shade. Nice undercut going there in the back. Beautiful shaggy pixie style in the front. Oh, I absolutely love this. Such a gorgeous hairstyle, beautifully done. Next up, we see another color transformation. Very nice undercut pixie style, and she went with this blue ombre blue coloring. Very pretty. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. And she decided to go shorter with this fresh bob haircut. Next up, another wolf cut style with a blonde and pink combo. Very pretty. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.